Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. Today our topic is local area network. What is local area network and what is its topologies and how it works? Today we will talk about it. Before the lecture start, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and press the ring icon so that other video will receive you continuously, and also like and share my channel. So let's start the topic. Local area network. Basically, when two or more commuters are connected together, they form the network. And if the two or more commuters are connected together within a building where you want to work, so we call it is local area network. And the other is topologies. Topologies is the same as the types. In computer form, we call it topologies. Star topology, ring topology, tree topology, bus topology, hybrid topology, mesh topology. These are topologies of local area network. First is star topology, in which two or more commuters are connected together with the server. It means all the commuters are connected together with the server to share the information. First of all, the information is sent to the server, and the server is decided that the information is sent to the other PC or other terminal. So we call it star topology, in which the server is required. It means the main server, main computer center computer is required. And the other is ring topology. Basically, ring topology, in which the commuters, two or more commuters are connected together and form in the form of a ring structure, in which no server is required. All the client commuters are free to share information and documents to each other. And the other is tree topology. What is tree topology? All the commuters. It means that two or more commuters are connected together with a communication line, both ends, parallel form. Communication line is that line in which all the data is flow and instruction flow where the data you want to receive. So the commuters are attached to the communication line, and the commuters are further attached to the other commuters. So we call it tree topology. And the other is bus topology. Bus topology is the same as the tree topology, but the only minor difference is between them. It is that the tree topology is further commuters are attached, but the bus topology not further commuters are attached, only the communication line is attached to it. And the other is hybrid topology. Hybrid topology, it is a combination of the star and bus topology. What is star and bus topology combination? It means commuters are connected to the communication line, and in which the main server are present, which control all the data, instructions, documents of the client's computers. Mesh topology. The last one is mesh topology. When four or more computers are connected together and form the network, so we call it mesh topology. So viewers, this is our topic today. I hope you will understand clearly. So we will write on its paper as you want in its own words. We will read on the screen. Local area network. When two or more computers connected together to transfer data and documents is called a network, and this system done within a building is called local area network. Topologies: star, ring, tree, bus, hybrid, mesh. Star topology, in which two or more computers connected in star form and one have server. Ring topology, in which two or more computers connected in ring form within server computer. Tree topology, in which computers are connected with the communication line and further of computer. Bus topology, in which computers are connected with the communication line. Hybrid topology, it is a combination of the star and bus topology. Mesh topology, in which four or more computers are connected to form network. I hope that viewers you will understand clearly. We will meet in next video. Goodbye.